Okay, I got my Rubik's Cube all mixed up. Wait, I should mix it up some more. Alright. So, my Rubik's Cube is all mixed up. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Done. Alright. So, I was thinking, while I was solving this, I remember, last year in math class, I was doing this, just, you know, because we weren't doing anything in math class that day. We were just kind of, you know, so I just looked this out and I was just, you know, like doing it, and people were watching me and they're like, oh, that's so cool. And I learned how to solve this from the internet. So this kid was just like, how do you do that? Like, how did you learn how to do that? You're so smart. And I'm like, you don't really have to be smart to do this. I'm like, I learned it from the internet. And he's like, that's cheating. But it's not, because there's things called algorithms, and they're moves like, you know, right, inverted, up, inverted. I can't really remember them, like I can't say all the algorithms, but I know them. Like, you know, like some people who, like, you know, have tutorials, they like say it like as they're doing it. I can't do it. I wrote them down, wrote the algorithms down, and I just started doing them, like, you know, oh, okay, do this, and then it just got planted in my brain, so now I know how to do this. But it's not cheating, because, like, I'm sure, like, maybe a really, really, really smart person could figure this out. Could figure out, you know, the algorithms, like, without being taught them. I mean, my math teacher even said that he learned from a book. What's the difference? I mean, and that kid was just like, no, it's cheating, and it's like, no, it's not. So yeah, I love solving the Rubik's Cube. I just one day decided, I'm like, I want to buy a Rubik's Cube and I'm gonna solve it. That's my goal. And so my dad bought me this Rubik's Cube, and my mom's like, you're not gonna be able to do that. And I'm like, watch me. So yeah, I did it. I learned it in 2 days. I sat at the computer for 2 days and I learned it, and I'm just like, I will get this done. So yeah, I did it, and I'm proud of myself. So yeah. Okay, bye.